Everything you need to know about the Celebrity Apex walking track in one video. From the exact length of the track to the best times to avoid crowds, we're answering the top 20 questions cruisers ask before boarding this Edge-class ship. How long is the track? It's 1,320 feet, just under a quarter mile. How many laps per mile? Approximately 4.5 laps. Is it a loop? Yes, a continuous circuit across 2 decks. Where is this walking track located? Well, it winds around the resort deck, the rooftop garden, and the sunset bar. How about lanes? Actually, there's 2 dedicated lanes for walking and jogging. How steep is it? Well, it's a gentle ramp connecting decks 15 and 16. Can you access the pool from the walking track? No, it's actually elevated above the pool to avoid the loungers. What's the best time for the walking track? Before 7:30 a.m. or during dinner hours. Is the track open 24 hours a day? It sure is. Is there an age limit? It's open to all. Kids under 16 should be supervised. What's the track made of? Is it grippy? It's made of high-quality rubberized surface, but take care during the morning dew. Is there a view of the magic carpet? Yes, there is. It's one of the best views on the ship. How does this track compare to older celebrity class ships? Well, it's longer and more scenic than the older ships, so in my opinion, I like this one better. Is there shade? Well, minimal shade. We recommend early morning or late evenings to avoid all the sun exposure. Is there a cost to use the track? Absolutely not. It's completely free. How about windy days? It can be gusty up here, so just keep an eye out for that and make sure you hold on to your hat. What about smoking areas? The track passes near the masked bar smoking section, so keep an eye out for that if you want to avoid it. Are there any obstructions? Look out for beverage carts during peak afternoon hours and strollers. Can you track your steps using GPS? You can, but you may struggle due to the ship's movement. Is there an indoor alternative? Yeah, it's called the Fitness Center on Deck 15, and they have treadmills. Are you interested in getting yourself on a celebrity edge-class ship? Well then contact me, Michelle, at mytravelingowl.com, or you can visit my website at mytravelingowl.com.